yes, that's the best way to learn. And also I heard while you're young as well, you know. But you can learn at all different ages. But I hear when you're younger, you learn much easier. I've heard that. That's why they try to teach their kids different languages when they're younger. But like I say, you can learn at any age. But that's very.
Hello everybody, my name is Elvira or Elvira. Usually for my channel on YouTube I speak in Russian and my native language, Mari. But today I would like to speak in English because I would like to talk about my hairdresser. Do you like my hair? Yes, my hairdresser's name is Clayton. But I'm sorry, I keep forgetting asking his last name. For a very long time, I had trouble finding nice, good hairdresser. Finally, after many years living in United States, I found Clayton. Clayton, he's very, very creative person. He knows what every woman wants. I told him, Clayton, would you please cut my hair and dye my hair that after I will leave you, I can take care of myself. And he did excellent job. Thank you, Clayton. I loved your job. I'll be back.